And fixing Maggie her supper. Fixing Maggie her supper. It's Thursday today. Thursday, I think it's August the 16th or 17th. I think it's the 17th. Huh. I can't remember what date it is today, but I know it's Thursday. I know it's Thursday today. Yeah, there's Maggie eating her supper. And it's 5 o'clock right now. Maggie's used to eating at 5. Those are Maggie's favorite bowls. She's had those since she was a puppy. Maggie's water bowls. Maggie, Maggie, was that good? Was that good? Look, Maggie, look. Maggie, was that good? Look. Look, Maggie, look. Okay, Maggie. See?